In our daily life, we have to perform a lot of tasks in a repetitive manner. For example, if your mother asks you to fill the bottles and put it in refrigerator, then you have to fill the every bottle separately and then put it in refrigerator. And similarly in coding also, if you have to print the number from 1 to 100, then you have to print it by print 1, print 2, print 2. Oh my god, I have said till 5 only and I am. Now, before further proceeding in the video, we will learn a quick difference between for loop and while loop. But the thing is, we are going to learn in more depth in the coming part of this video. So let's get started. What do you mean by the for loop? In for loop, we just iterate over a sequence or iterable, whereas in the while loop, we just repeats a while condition. If the while condition is true, then it is going to be executed, otherwise it is not. Number of iterations are generally known in the for loop, whereas talking about the while loop, the number of iterations is not known in advance. Talking about the condition is controlled by the iterable itself. Like we are taking the I as another variable, so it is going to be controlled by the iterable. Talking about the condition in the for loop, condition is controlled by the iterable, whereas in the while loop it is controlled by the boolean. Like in the video you are going to see, we are adding I a condition I is equal to I plus 1 or I plus 2. On the basis of our condition, what we have to write, like if we have to write even numbers, we are going to write plus 2. If otherwise, we are going to write plus 1. Coming to the part that where for loop is used, for loop is used in the list, tuple, string, dictionaries and range, whereas while loop is used in where we are not about when where we are not sure about the input validation or menu driven programs or unknown repetitions. I hope that makes sense. Moving forward towards the for loop and while loop in detail, and how we can use the continue, pass and break statement in between, we are going to learn it in the upcoming part of this lecture. So just maintain the series and proceeding forward, let's get started. Now, talking about the loops. Now, first of all, the question arises, why do we need loops? We need loop in order to execute a block of code repeatedly. Like I want to print the number from 1 to 100. There are so many loops using which I can print this. Talking about the first loop, for loop, what we are going to write is, I will take a number first. I will ask the user to input the number. I will write num is equal to int input. We will specify it here int, as we want to take the int as a number. I will also write here enter your number. After that I will write for loop I want to run. So for that I will write for. I will specify here a variable. For the I will write a variable name here. I can take anything, but for my convenience I will take here I in range. I will write I in range, and I want to print it from 1 to 100. So I will write here from 1 comma till, no, I want to run it from 1 to n, where n is the number. So I will write here n number. In order to print it, in order to go inside the loop, I will write the semicolon here and then press enter key. It will go inside the loop and give 4 spaces as an indentation, showing that we are inside the loop. We will write here print I. Now it is going to perform for I is equal to 1. I in range 1 to num means for the first time I is 1, then the second time I is 2, third time I is 3, until the number we have printed I will go up to there only. But the catch is, if I will write here num, it is going to print me the num minus 1 value. So here I am going to write plus 1 for the loop to run till the number. Let's just run it. It's asking for my number. I will print here 8 and enter. See here, we are getting the number still 8. Now this is the chart of the for loop. For each item in sequence, if we will enter the item, if the last item is reached, it then it if it is true, then it is going to exit the loop. Otherwise, if it is not reached, then again the statement will run, and then it is going to in the loop again and again until the last statement is reached. Whenever it is reached, it is going to be true and we are going to exit the loop. I hope that makes sense. Now we will write the same using the while loop. How the while loop works? Actually, in the while loop, we write the condition. We do not write the range or anything. We just write the condition. For example, here we will write here start is equal to 0. It means we are going to start from 0 and till the number, while start is less than 1. Let me just write it. I will then explain it to you. Start is less than number. Then what we are going to perform, now executing the same. Actually, what we have performed in this while loop, but we have stated we are starting from 0. So what we are doing, we are commanding to the compiler that whenever the number start is less than number, it means we are iterating from 0 till the number, and we are going to add start we are going to add start we are going to add 1 to the start value every time whenever the code is executed, and then we are going to print that number. Now will happen when we are adding 1 every time in this. Let's see, it's like we have written first 1, then 2, then 3. Every time a 1 number is added, like see here, I will write enter number as 9 and then enter. We will write here not num, we will write here start, as the num is always the same. Enter a number, we will write 9. See, we are getting number from 1 to 9. Now if I want to print all the even numbers, what I am going to write, I will write here plus 2. I will not write here plus 1, I will write here plus 2. Now I will run this. I will enter the number as, say, let's say still 16, and see, I am getting all the even numbers here. Now the task now your task is to write the complete even numbers and odd numbers differently using the for loop. Moving forward, we have same flow chart of the while loop. It is same as the flow chart of the for loop. like we enter the loop and then the test expression. If we test the expression whether it's true or false. If it is true, then the statement is executed, and it's executed till in the loop until the statement is false. Whenever the statement is false, it is going to exit the loop. Now coming to the infinite while loop. What is infinite while loop? Infinite while loop runs until the condition is false. So whenever there is not such condition that it may take the output as false, it is going to run continuously, so making the loop as the infinite while loop. Running it, I will run the same code. Since we have not written here false, so it is going to be executed every time, and it is going to hang my output screen as it is going to run repeatedly, or in some compilers it may give the error also. Here see, it's going till the end. Wherever you go, I can see here it's just printing again and again and again. How many times? See, at the last we got execution halted, means it is going till the end. It didn't stop here also. See how many times I am getting this hello geek. What's happening here is, while the condition is true, creates the loop with a condition that is always true. We have given the condition as always true. If I will write here false, so it is not going to be executed even a single time. See, code execution successful, but we haven't received any output. If in between I want to control the flow of the statements in Python, there are also loop control statements which are which can be like statement, continuous statement, past statement. What are these statement and how they can be executed? Let's just study it. Talking about the break statement, if I am running a loop and I want at a particular point to break it, no matter how much long the code is, I can use the break statement. For example, if I am writing all the numbers till 100, but I want to print it till 68 only, I will I will use the break keyword. For example, I will take I will take 4. I will take a number as input. We have taken the number as input. Now I will do is I will write here for loop for I is equal to, for I in range. We will write here for I in range from 1 to num. We want to go till num. First, we will write here num in, and then semicolon, and then semicolon. Then we are going to write the our condition, like if I want to break, if when my I becomes, let's say 68, I want to break it. I will write semicolon and then press enter again. One more indentation occurs. I will write break here. Break in the small letter itself. If you are going to write it in the capital letters, it is not going to be considered as a keyword and going to give me an error. I will write print I. Now just see here, we are writing the print I here after outside the if loop. but inside the for loop. See here, this is called as nesting. Means inside for we are having the if loop called for if nested loop. Let's just run it. I will write my number here. I It's giving me an error. Okay, this is a good thing. It gave me an error so that you can learn. I want here not the I to give the value as 68. What the single equal to in Python means, single equal to means you are assigning that value to the variable, but I don't want to assign the variable. So in order to compare, we do not use a single equal to in Python. We will use double equal to in order to compare it. Now just run it. It's asking for a number. I will write enter 100. I will write enter my number as 100. See, it's going till 67 and 68th value is not going to be printed as we have break. Means if the if statement is true, we will go inside it and execute this break function. Break function will do, it is going to end the loop and no more my print statement is going to be executed. Now you can do the same using the while loop also. I will just run it. See here, what I will write here, I will start the loop from I is equal to 0 or start is equal to 0, whatever you want you can write. I am taking here variable name as I is equal to 0. Then what I'm going to write, while my I is less than num. Okay, so what I have to do, while my I is less than num, then what I am going to do, I will write if I want to print what, print I, then I will write I will write here I plus is equal to 1. We can either write it in this way also, or we can write it in the way like I is equal to I plus 1. They both mean the same thing. It is the shortcut of writing that thing only. Now what I want to include in this, I want to include the if statement. If statement that if my I is equal to 7, I want to break it. I will add the break statement here and I will just run it. It's asking me for the number. I will write here till 10. See, at the 7 it is out of the loop and 7 is printed, and it it is going to be executed till 7 only. Now coming towards the pass statement. What does the pass statement says? It is kind of a null operator for Python. See here, I will write here for, I will write the same code for the for, and we have taken the for loop only. And what we are going to do, instead of the break statement, we are using the pass statement on it now. If I run the code, then when the 68 number will appear, it is going to just simply pass it. It is not going to do it and do anything to it. It is not going to terminate the loop or anything. See here, I will enter number here as 100 and all the numbers are printed here as it is, and 68 is also there. See, it if the 68 appears, it's just going to simply pass it. What if I enter the number smaller than 68? I just enter, let's say 50, enter, it's not going to happen anything here. It's going to be executed till 49 here only, since we have given the range from 1 to num. If I will write +1, then it's going to run till 50. I will write 50 here. See, pass is nothing, it is just simply going to pass the number as it is. If I use the continue statement here, what's the difference here? I'm going to show you. If I use the continue here, whenever that number will come, it is not going to be written in the series. Rest all numbers are going to be written as it is. See, enter a number. I write 100. I want till 100, and now in the series you are going to see that the 68 is not printed. Rest all numbers are printed as it is. See here, we are not getting 68 here. 67, 66, 67, and then 60, 66, 67, and then 69. Now what's the difference? We have learned about the continue, pass, and the break statement. In the break statement, it is used to exit the loop, whereas in the continue statement, it is going to pass. Whereas in the continue statement, it's not going to print that value, and it's going to remove that value from the series. While in the pass statement is going to is not going to affect our code, and it's going to pass that value as it is, and our code run absolutely fine. Instead of, if we use the pass statement or not, it's going to work absolutely fine. If we remove the pass statement, it is going to work as it is, like if we do not use it in the code also. I hope that makes sense. I hope you learn watching this lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to learn more about this. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and bye.